Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you best tips how to start exercising for beginners. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of incredibly useful knowledge. Exercising regularly is one of the best things you can do for your health. Soon after you start exercising, you'll begin to see and feel the benefits that physical activity can have on your body and well-being. However, working exercise into your routine takes a lot of determination, and sticking to it in the long term requires discipline. If you're considering starting to exercise but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Here's all you need to know about starting a routine and sticking to it. Why exercise? Regular exercise has been shown to significantly improve your health. Its greatest benefits include helping you achieve and maintain a healthy body weight, maintain muscle mass, and reduce your risk of chronic disease. Additionally, research has shown that exercise can lift your mood, boost your mental health, help you sleep better, and even enhance your sex life. And that's not all, it can also help you maintain good energy levels. In short, exercise is powerful and can change your life. Here are various types of exercise, including aerobic, usually the core of any fitness program. It includes periods of continuous movement. Examples include swimming, running, and dancing. Strength helps increase muscle power and strength. Examples include resistance training, plyometrics, weightlifting, and sprinting. Calisthenics, basic body movements done without gym equipment and at a medium aerobic pace. Examples include lunges, sit-ups, push-ups, and pull-ups. High-intensity interval training includes repetitions of short bursts of high-intensity exercise followed by low-intensity exercises or rest periods. Boot camps, timed-based, high-intensity circuits that combine aerobic and resistance exercises. Balance or stability strengthens muscles and improves body coordination. Examples include Pilates, Tai Chi poses, and core strengthening exercises. Flexibility aids muscle recovery, maintains range of motion, and prevents injuries. Examples include yoga or individual muscle stretch movements. The activities above can be done individually or combined. The important thing is to do what suits you best and to have fun with it. How to get started? It's important to consider a few things before you start an exercise routine. Check your health. It's important to consult your doctor and get a physical medical examination before starting an exercise routine. This is particularly important for those who are not used to strenuous physical activities, as well as individuals aged 45 and over. Make a plan and set realistic goals. Once you decide to start exercising regularly, try to create a plan that includes attainable steps and goals. One way to do this is to start with a plan of easy steps to follow. Then you can continue building on it as your fitness level improves. Make it a habit. Another key component of exercise success is to stick to your routine. It seems to be easier for people to maintain an exercise routine in the long term if they make it a habit and do it regularly. How much exercise should you do? You don't need to be a high-performance athlete or used to working out for hours to start exercising today. The minimum recommendation for exercise is at least 150 minutes per week. However, it is important to start slowly and let your body rest from time to time. In description of this video you will find a 1-week sample exercise program. Hey! Do you think these tips are useful? Are you going to try any of them? Or maybe you've tried them before? Share a comment. Starting a new exercise routine can be challenging. However, having real objectives can help you maintain a fitness program in the long term. There are many different types of physical activity to choose from. Find a few that work for you and be sure to vary them occasionally. The goal is to start slowly, build up your fitness level, and let your body rest from time to time to prevent injuries. Keeping track of your progress or joining a fitness group can help you stay motivated and achieve your goals. It's also important to eat a healthy diet and hydrate regularly. So what are you waiting for? Start exercising today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos and stay motivated every single day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.